In a city that prides itself on developing, women are still struggling with the basic as a sanitary pad. Across Pune Municipal Corporation, sanitary pad vending machines that were installed to ensure hygiene, dignity, are either not working, empty, or being neglected. This is not just an inconvenience, this is the failure of the system. Today we bring you the reality behind the PMC sanitary pad vending machine, a project that promised access but now on ground report it is failing apart. A few years ago, PMC introduced sanitary pad vending machine across the Pune Municipal Corporation and give access to the sanitary napkins, especially during the emergencies. But an on-ground investigation tells a very different story. In Pune Municipal Corporation, machines are installed but not functioning. In some places, like in some floors, we have been seen that completely poor maintenance and lack of monitoring have been turned these machines into showpiece rather than solutions. At first floor, we have been seen that machine does not work at all. At another floor, we have seen that there is no sanitary pad inside. In both the cases, the purpose is different, but the story is still the same. Even we have seen in many floors the facility exists. Like the machines are not properly working. The failure of sanitary pad vending machine in PMC is not just about broken machines. It reflects deeper issues of neglect, poor maintenance and lack of accountability. Until these systems are regularly monitored, stocked and maintained, women and girls in Pune will continue to struggle to access to basic menstrual hygiene. This is not just a civic issue, it is a question of dignity. As we have seen in PMC, different floors tells a different story. When we have gone to the first floor, we have seen that the machine is working, but when we insert a coin in it, we have seen that there's no sanitary pad in that. If we come to the second floor, we have seen that the machine is not even working. The switches are not working, the machine is not on, and from inside also there's empty. If we talk about the third floor, we have seen that when we open a sanitary pad vending machine, we have seen that inside the machine we have seen two thinner water bottles, like in a where a pad must be put inside, there's a thinner water bottle that has been placed inside with a dirty cloth. The cloth that is used to clean for the washrooms are now kept in the sanitary pad. Each floor and each washroom tells a different story, like different idea, but the same issue is sanitary pads are not available in a sanitary vending machine. Now we have to see what action will be taken regarding this, but this is not just a small issue. It is related to women's safety as well as on the emergency needs. How can a woman survive on this? With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.